Have you ever seen an RV with not one, but two full beds? This is a Jayco North Point 390 CKDS. This is a new unique floor plan with two full bedrooms. Jayco is one of the well-known brands in the industry, with their unmatched 2+3 year warranty and 4,500 Magna Truss roof. In the dinette area is a legless table where you don't bang your knees, followed by heated and massage loungers with cup holders. The entertainment area comes with a pop-up TV and a full electric fireplace. The counter extension is quite unique to Jayco. Just check out this cutting board. Look how big it is. In the kitchen you'll find a 4-burner gas stove, along with a very deep oven, residential style microwave, a residential 18 cubic foot fridge with an ice maker, tons of cabinet space and a wine rack, and a huge pantry closet. The loft area is quite spacious. The roof is rounded, so it has a rounded ceiling, giving you more height room. I really like all the windows that they have up top. It brings in a lot of natural light. It fits 3 mattresses, so 3 full-size adults can sleep up here. There's tons of space, as you can see. In the rear bedroom, there's a full dresser area, along with a TV, and a plush queen-size bed with windows all around. This bedroom also gets its own private washroom, with a separate entrance and a medicine cabinet. Going to the main bathroom is a stylistic sink, fully tiled shower with seating, and extra linen closet. In the main bedroom is a king bed, 72 by 80 inches, along with a full walk-in closet. It also comes with a full dresser area with entertainment up top. So do you think you can live in this? Let me know in the comments.